Hello everybody. Today we are going to deal in this session about Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, which is also known as Amazon EC2. So prior to cloud computing, any organization, if they want to compute or do their works, they need to have infrastructure available at their premises. They need to invest lot of amount in infrastructure for the resources, but a cloud helps us to avoid that infrastructure at our premises. So AWS is one of the evolving cloud computing platform. Apart from, there are other cloud computing platforms like Amazon is Microsoft is also providing, and then Google is also providing. So it is designed, actually this cloud computing is designed to scale developers to the cloud platform rather than working with the systems which are present on their premises. So it is nothing but Amazon EC2 is a web service that provides secure computing capacity in the cloud, which is also resizable. Means what? You can scale your systems up as many as you want, or you can scale down the systems as low as you want. So it is a virtual server. Actually Amazon EC2 instance is nothing but it is a virtual server in Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud for running applications on Amazon Web Services. So servers are provided by the Amazon company for running the applications of the organizations. So that are nothing but EC2 is nothing but virtual server. So you can have any number of virtual servers as per your requirement. So servers are unlimitedly available. So it helps the business organizations to run their applications, application programs in the computing environment. So EC2 is nothing but it is a server which is provided by the Amazon to run the applications of the organization. So with EC2 you can set up or configure your operating system, and what applications that you want you can have on that instance. So you can configure as many number of CPUs as you want, the memory storage how much you want you can take, and what type of networking thing you want in your systems, that is also provided. So each type is available in various sizes to address the specific needs of the organization. So what happens with this, you can sit on your own system at your premises, and you can demand as many servers you want, and you can stop your instances whenever you want and boot the new server instances within minutes, so that you can increase your capacity. EC2, with this what happens, the economics of computing will be allowed, how much you use that much you are going to pay. So that is what Amazon EC2 changes the economics of computing by allowing you to pay only for capacity that you actually use. So if you see, this is the diagram which shows about our EC2. Actually these instances are nothing but EC2 instances. If you see in this diagram, first you will be having your own region. Amazon is providing the storage area in every region. So there are different regions available. So first you will be having the region. In that region you are going to create your virtual private cloud. So this is what is virtual private cloud, we will see in the next session. So virtual private cloud, in that you will be creating the subnets as per your requirement, either private or public. Then inside that subnets you are going to have something called instances, as well as in this particular region availability zone is also there. So there are a lot of servers available in every region. In those servers, in which zone you are going to get the space, that is shown by this availability zone. So instances are created in the subnet, and if you want to access these instances on the internet, we need to create something called internet gateway. That is also done, that is also I will show that even that in when I create VPC. So right now we are going to study about instances in this session. So what are the benefits of this session? So as the name suggests, it is elastic compute cloud. So elasticity is there, means what, how many systems you want you can increase, scale up, or if you want to reduce the systems based on your requirement. Suppose now if some organization wants and like he is in on internet selling something, it is a site like Flipkart is there, like Amazon site is there, they want to sell some products. So if they are having Diwali session wherein they want to go for big billion days, so they need lots of servers. So servers will be provided, so you can increase your capacity. Once that those days are finished and you want to decrease the servers, you can decrease the servers. So that is what, within minutes you can have as many number of servers for storage and computing your application, or you can decrease your applications. So means what, in seconds you can have hundreds or even thousands of servers instances simultaneously. So this is the first benefit. Second, you have complete control of your instances, and including the root access, you can control everything. So and you can retain the data while you boot the partition, and means what, you can stop the instance when you are partitioning, when you are booting the partition, and whenever you want to start the instances again, you can start the instances using API. So instances can be rebooted remotely using web service APIs, and you also have access to their console output. So this is the second benefit. Third, flexibility, as I said. So it means what, you can have different types of operating systems available, you can have different ranges of memory storages available, you can configure different memory and different type of memories, and you can also have lots of storage according to your requirement. So that is what, you have the choice of multiple instance types with different operating systems and different software packages. So you can configure according to your requirement. So the different types of operating systems, I hope you people know, Linux operating system and Microsoft Windows Server operating system. This way Mac is there, whatever you want, you can have different types of operating systems available. So that is why it is flexible cloud hosting services based on your operating system, based on your memory storage requirement, and based on what you are going to work, which applications you are going to work, you will be having the servers available. Next, this Amazon EC2 is integrated with most of the Amazon services, such as like Amazon simple storage service like Amazon S3, which is called Amazon S3, Amazon relational database service, which is nothing but Amazon RDS, and Amazon virtual private cloud, as I said, VPC. So with this, what happens, a complete secure solution for computing and whatever queries processing you want, and whatever you want to store, those all things can be done with the help of Amazon EC2. So it can integrate with various types of services which are available of Amazon, and other services whatever you want, you can integrate with that. Next, it is reliable. Like when you have systems on your premises, there is always a possibility there might be a snag, your hardware will not be working, your systems will not be working, but Amazon provides a complete commitment. They provide 99.99% of commitment that their servers will never be down. So and a proven infrastructure and data centers are available with Amazon. So that is why this Amazon EC2 is highly reliable. Next, the benefit, so everybody wants security when some applications of an organization are running on the cloud. So always everybody is scared whether my data is stolen or it can be hacked. So Amazon, the security is the highest priority of AWS. So you can get benefit from the data center and network architecture built to meet the requirements of the most security sensitive organizations. Means what, it is highly secured, you can work on any type of data, there is no security lapse. So it provides Amazon EC2 works in conjunction with Amazon VPC, as we have shown in the diagram. So Amazon VPC, wherein we have different type of security and robust networking functionality available for the complete compute resources. So we will see how the security is provided with the help of VPC. Right, now we are going to practically see how we are going to create Amazon EC2. We are going to set up. So first we need to log into Amazon Web Services login. So we will go to this page, Amazon Web Services sign in. We have to go to the console. First we have to log in. So your root user, then you log in. So you need to give the password. So once you log in, you get into Amazon Web Services home page, and then in that we need to go to Web Services home. Actually this is the Amazon home page. Web Services home page is available over here. So we will go to Amazon Web Services, and we are going to sign in the console. So, generally as I have used EC2 here, so it is shown over here. If it is not available, you need to type EC2 in the search bar. So, once you type there, you will see this EC2 service which is available over here. I will click on this. So, we are going to see the resources which are available, so that we can set up our EC2 storage. So, these are all the resources which are available right now. So, I want to create an instance. So, I say launch instance. So, when I say launch instance, I need to give the name, any name you can give. I will say EC2 demo. So, I am giving some name EC2 demo. So, it is better to have capital D. EC2 demo. And then in AMI, what is an AMI? It is a template that contains the software configuration, like what operating system you want, what application server, and what applications you are going to run. Based on your requirement, you are going to launch your instance. So, here they have given images of what we want. So, generally we go with Ubuntu. So, I will select Ubuntu in this. So, you will be having this Amazon image AMI, which is nothing but Ubuntu server 22.04. So, by default you are getting, it is a free tier eligible. So, we will take this. Architecture we are not going to change, it is 64 bit. Instant type also, it is nothing, instance type is nothing but T2 micro, we will take that. Now, we have to create a key pair, so that one private key is generated and one public key will be generated. Public key will be available with Amazon web services, and private key is given to us. So, if I want to create a key, I say create new key pair. So, we are going to give some name to the key. I say key private key, I will say private key, and we have to select RSA in this, and we have to select .pem. So, once it is done, you can say click on create key pair. So, you see it downloaded, create this key pair is downloaded onto our system. So, this is available right now. So, now everything is ready. Network settings we are not going to change anything. In security group, we will be in firewall. So, that is what we need to provide security. So, in firewall we are going to select this create security group, and then we will be allowing all the traffic, SSH traffic, HTTPS traffic and HTTP traffic. Then storage we are going to keep as it is by the default thing, and nothing much we are going to do. Now, everything is set up. So, I will say launch instance. So, once I launch, my instance is created, my EC2 instance whatever I want is created. So, if I want to see what resources are allotted to it, I will click on the ID which is given over here. So, I will see, you see it will be showing. Now, see it is showing pending, means what, still it is to be provided by the Amazon. So, we need to refresh this. See, now it started running. Now, my instance is running. So, I want to connect with this instance from my local server. So, I will click on this instance ID. So, here I will be having my IPv address, and I will be having my private IP also. Private IP here is given, and this is my public IP which is provided over here. So, these all resources whatever are provided is given. By default some VPC which is there, that is also provided over here. But how do we create VPC, how security is provided, and how do we connect with internet with the help of PVC. So, internet gateway is created, that we will see in the next session. Now, this instance is created, this is a summary of my instance, and now I want to connect. So, I say connect. So, here there are two ways through which I can connect. So, one way is I can directly do instance connect. Here you have connect using EC2 instance connect. So, this I will select, then I say connect. See, now I am getting connected to my instance through my laptop. So, that instance which is provided to me, wherein some space is provided and Ubuntu operating system is provided in that, and if I want to put some application in that, I can put that application. I want to put some files in that, I can put in these files. See, my IP address is given over here, that private IP address what you have seen over here. If you see 172.31.82.196, you see that is what is shown over here. I have connected to that IP address. So, this is one way of connecting to my EC 2, and the other way is again I will say connect. This time I will go to SSH client. Here I have my private key which is created. So, I will copy this private key and then I will go to Windows PowerShell. So, I will click on this and then I will right click on this, that whole thing is copied over here, and then I will press enter. So, it is asking, do you want to get connected or continue to connection? I say yes. Once I say yes, it should get connected. There is some problem, let me right. The problem was when I was trying to connect with SSH client, this key which is provided, I should take this key and put it where my PowerShell is opening. So, I take this copy, my PowerShell will be it is going on this prompt. So, I can move to that prompt or I can copy directly over here. So, I will paste that private key over here. Once it is pasted, now I will copy this private key and then I go for PowerShell. I will right click, this key is copied over here, I say enter. You see, once I say enter, it gets connected again, this private IP address whichever is provided to us by Amazon, that is shown over here. Now, I got connected to that EC2. So, this is how you get connected, you you set up an EC2, that is a storage is provided and then operating system is provided. Now, you can use that storage to run your applications, or you want to put some files over there, or some other computing thing you want to perform, that can be performed over there. So, this is how we create Amazon EC2, right. Once you have created your EC2, you can use it, but once your work is done, you need to terminate it, otherwise you will be charged. So, again I will go to my instances which are running. So, I will come over here, which is this demo which I have created. I will go to instance state and I say terminate instance. So, once I terminate, this instance will stop and then you may not be charged for that. Thank you.